Hello, this is Dennis from Smoke Daddy Inc. and Pellet Pro Grill. I'm here to show you our new convection fan that we're going to be coming out with for pellet grills and custom smokers. It's really nice to have a convection fan inside your smoker. It really helps to stabilize the temperature. With this model here, what we have it's 3 inches from where you mount it to the blades. So it'll be good for a custom application, thicker wall applications. We'll send it along with some standoffs if you need it to adjust that. But what I want to show you is on our new vertical smoker that we have here, our Pellet Pro vertical 10 cubic foot smoker, which is nice. But it's going to come along with this plate here. You take the plate off and you'll take these standoffs, put them in here, like that. Real simple. Just tighten them down a little bit. Don't go too crazy with that. You don't want to strip them out. Just snug them down. We'll hold them on there really nice. Now, with that, you just take the fan itself, you set it in that hole on here, and then just remount it with the screws there that come along with it. That's pretty much it. Then you just have to take and put the fan blade back on underneath, and you turn this into a true convection cooking smoker. Yeah, I think getting a convection fan in your smoker is a real nice setup for that, because there's always hot and cold spots in your smoker, and this really helps stable it out. So that's just a quick brief rundown on how that is going to mount on our smoker. And if you have any questions for any other type of applications, feel free to give us a call. You can call 847-336-1329 and talk to Dennis or Dan, and we can help you figure out how to hook it up to your particular application. So thanks for looking. Go start cooking.